Go ahead.
Robert Josephat Ouma Omoto, Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited. You are charged with misappropriation of funds contrary to Section 48(2) of Social Health Insurance Act. The particulars are on diverse dates between 1st January 2025 and 30th June 2025 within the Republic of Kenya, misappropriated and caused the applications of funds other than in the manner provided in the Act, and induced Social Health Authority to pay a claim of 2,591,125 to Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited, which was not contracted to offer inpatient and maternity services. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 2, you are charged with falsification of health documents contrary to Section 48(3) of Social Health Insurance Act. The particulars are on diverse dates between 1st January 2025 and 30th June 2025 within Kakamega County, knowingly and fraudulently falsified information in the medical documents by inserting patients' details to misrepresent that the patients had consented to or had undergone treatment with intention to defraud Social Health Authority and obtain benefit not lawfully due under the Social Health Insurance Act. True or not true? Count number 3, you are charged with acquisition, proceeds of crime contrary to Section 4A as read with Section 16(1) of Pokalmla. The particulars are you and Zion Ahadi Medicine Limited on diverse dates between 1st January 2025 and 30th June 2025 at Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited within Kakamega County. You acquired from the Social Health Authority through Cooperative Bank account number 011-92-799-266-700 a sum of Kenya shillings 2,591,125, and at the time of acquisition you knew or ought reasonably to have known that it is or forms part of the proceeds of a crime committed by yourself or by another person. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 4, you are charged with the use of proceeds contrary to Section 4B as read with Section 16(1) of the Pokalma. Particulars of the offense are on diverse dates between 1st January 2025 and 30th June 2025 at Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited within Kakamega County, knowingly used Kenya shillings 2,591,125 from Social Health Authority, and at the time of using such property you knew or ought reasonably to have known that it forms part of the proceeds of a crime committed by yourself or by another person. True or not true?
Not true.
Count number 5, you were charged with uttering false documents contrary to Section 353 of the Penal Code, and the particulars are on diverse days between 11th March 2025 and 16th March 2025 at Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited within Kakamega County, knowingly and fraudulently you uttered a discharge summary in the inpatient file of Lawrence Rachel Atero, claim number 4745787 to CEO Social Health Authority, purporting it to be a genuine document. True or not true?
Not true.
Count number 6, you are charged with uttering false documents contrary to Section 353 of the Penal Code, and the particulars are on diverse dates between 11th January 2025 and 21st January 2025 at Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited within Kakamega County, knowingly and fraudulently you uttered a discharge summary in the inpatient file for Elida Omunyoko Omukoya, claim number 2262927 to CEO Social Health Authority, purporting it to be a genuine document. True or not true?
Not true.
Count number 7, you are charged with uttering false document contrary to Section 353 of the Penal Code. The particulars are on diverse dates between 2nd January 2025 and 5th January 2025 at Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Limited within Kakamega County, knowingly and fraudulently you uttered a discharge summary in the inpatient file for Milka Omwaka Winnie, claim number 1506677 to CEO, Social Health Authority, purporting it to be a genuine document. Is it true or not true?
On bail bond terms as a constitutional right. The accused person is the owner of the said Zion Ahadi Mediclinic Center. He is not a flight risk. He did not protest his arrest. He voluntarily presented himself to the officers when he was summoned. He's a father of 3 children, some of which are depending on him, 2 of which are depending on him to go to school. For that reason, Your Honor, there are no chances that he is going to skip court when needed. Your Honor, but more importantly, he's a diabetic patient and he needs his diabetic treatment, and particularly diet, which he may not get in the cells. But lastly, Your Honor, the family also has a funeral within their home where he was arrested. His brother lost a daughter. So, Your Honor, on the basis of that, we are asking for favorable bail terms. And more importantly, we're also asking for a copy of the charge sheet and documentations that evidence that the prosecution wishes to rely on in this particular matter.
The issue of sickness has not been substantiated. No documents have been availed to court. But, Your Honor, we can give the accused person the benefit of that doubt. The issue of supply of documents, you can now mention it in a week's time. We shall avail the documents as required. Your Honor, for record purposes, I wish also to introduce my colleague, Mr. Kiragu, who is present physically in court for the quorum. That is it.
Okay. So by the ruling. Now, the court has considered the prosecution and the defense counsel submissions. We will have a pre-bail report on Monday, the 12th day of January, whereby the court will pronounce itself on the bond and bail terms. So we'll meet on the 12th day of January 2026 for the same. You're welcome.
Most obliged, Your Honor.